Introducing the Terawave wand. It uses blue light, heat, quartz crystals, and terahertz. All have been widely used as natural ways to make the body feel better. To assemble the wand, place the top on the base and turn it clockwise until you feel it click tightly into place. The on-off switch is located on the base. There are 3 settings: warm, warmer, and hot. Hold the wand 8 to 12 inches from the body as it does get hot. Point the wand at the area of the body you want to work on. Move the wand in circular motions over the area for about 10 to 15 minutes. Move the wand from one spot on the body to another so the skin doesn't get hot. Use the wand for a maximum of 20 minutes. Then turn the wand off and let it cool for 5 minutes. The Terawave wand can be used to structure water. Wave the wand over the water for 5 minutes and drink. The wand can be used daily. All purchases come with a 30-day free return policy and a 60-day replacement warranty. Get your Terawave wand today.